Good evening, sir. Happy
Good.
Dasra. Sir, can you please explain me this quotation from Think Differently book, sir?
Yes.
Negative thoughts have no place if we are filled with a sense of gratitude.
Yes. Negative thoughts have no place if we are filled with gratitude. Gratitude.
Yes.
Yes. What is gratitude? Being grateful about whatever happened, whatever is there right now is called as gratitude. Being grateful. You are happy and you are very much respectable towards this current moment. Then that is called as gratitude, gratefulness. You are saying thanks to God. You are saying thanks to somebody, whoever has helped. That is gratefulness, gratitude. So this is actually a wonderful positive attitude. When this wonderful positive attitude is there, positive vibrations will be there, positive thoughts will come. There is no question of negativity. Negativity means you are not happy with whatever is there. You are against the current moment. You are against whatever has happened. You are against people whom you are with. That is negativity. Gratitude means you are very happy. You are thankful also. So when this huge gratitude is there, when you are with full of gratitude, you will be with full of positive vibrations. And that full of positive vibrations will create wonderful life, joy and happiness in our inner self, in our life. So my dear friends, whatever may happen or whatever may not happen, doesn't matter. Let us try to be grateful. Let us try to be with gratitude. Every situation is very much useful. If you think in a right way, if you try to see in a right way, the way you see creates negativity. If you see with positive attitude, positive thoughts, right thoughts, with enlightened thoughts, then every situation will be a grateful situation. You can always be with gratitude. Gratitude is the right and the best way of life. To be with abundance in life. If you are not having gratitude, if you are not grateful with whatsoever is now, you cannot receive from universe. Universe is there to help those people who are really grateful. If you are not happy with whatever is already given, then how can a universe think of helping us again? So if you wanted to be abundant in life, if you want to receive abundance, this is the right way. Be grateful. Have gratitude. Gratitude is the rightest and the best way of thinking, way of life, to increase or enhance our energy levels. It will naturally enhance our energy levels, increase our energy levels, change the vibrations, change environment also, change the relationships also. If you are grateful and thankful to your friends or relatives, then naturally the relationship will build. If you are not grateful, if you are not happy, then where is the question of building relationships? No. Relationships will be built with gratefulness only, gratitude only. So let us be grateful, have gratitude and be happy. Receive abundance wherever we are, with whomsoever we are. And be thankful with whatever it is. We should be thankful. We are given a number of things. We are given 2 hands. We are given eyes. There are many people who doesn't have this. We are given at least some amount of money with which we are able to live comfortably. If you try to think, there will be 1,000 things in our life to be thankful to God or universe. So let us be thankful and be happy in this life. Thank you, man, for asking the question.
Thank you, sir. Wonderful, sir.
Please thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell button if you not yet.